Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the HP Chromebook so Windows can boot. First, make sure the model supports firmware replacement or CBIOS. This is why you check firmware unlock and developer mode now. Once done, back up your Chrome OS files and create a recovery USB in case you need to revert. Next, prepare a Windows 10 or 11 installer on a separate USB using Rufus with the correct partition scheme, and confirm TPM or firmware requirements to avoid later driver issues. You now replace or add custom firmware so the device will accept Windows. Start by enabling developer mode and opening a shell. You will run the verified firmware script that installs Chromebook or CBIOS. This step lets you boot legacy or UEFI installers. Carefully follow prompts and keep a firmware backup image. Once firmware is updated, create or confirm a UEFI boot entry, insert the Windows USB, and reboot to the firmware menu so the installer can start. This avoids Chrome OS blocking boot. You proceed through the Windows setup, choosing the target drive and deleting Chrome OS partitions if necessary, then install Windows normally. After the first boot, install chipset, display, audio, and Wi-Fi drivers. If a vendor pack is missing, use manual INF installs from Device Subsystem ID. Once drivers work, adjust power and keyboard mappings. If something fails, use the recovery USB to restore Chrome OS or reflash the firmware backup you made earlier. That single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.